to try and get a snow measurement here. Here you have my trusty ruler. Upside down. Let's try it again. There, you see that? So let's stick it in here, just so you can walk. Can you see that? And it disappears. I can't get a measurement. It hasn't hit bottom. All right, that's not going to work. No surprise there, all things considered. So we're going to do the next best thing here. There it is. I knew I had it here with me. I'm going to have to use this. Okay, let's set it here for some reasonable length. Well, who said this stone was reasonable? Okay. Here we go again. In she goes. Oh my God, look at that. Can you see that? We are at 16 inches of snow on the ground. Just stick it in again. Yep, hitting bottom there, maybe 16 and a quarter. Folks, this storm has just become officially insane. Okay, as you can see, a lot of blowing and drifting going on. I'm going to turn this off. When we start up again, we're going to get some sights and sounds from just out there a little bit. We're going to go up on the main road.